guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In this video, I share some quick and easy way to repurpose your old picture frames. Just keep on watching if you're interested, and let's get into it. To get started, I'll be covering those mirrors to get them ready for spray painting. I'll be using the Rust-Oleum gold paint to give it two really nice coats each. Now into our picture frames, I'll be removing everything and also the little tabs on the back to get them ready for spray painting as well. You can use pliers to remove the tabs, but in my case I'm using scissors, but please be very careful with that part. I will be giving the frames two coats of the silver metallic spray paint. Now that everything is dry, let's go ahead and create our design. And to do so, I'll be putting the mirrors on top of each frame using some Fix All adhesive and also my hot glue gun. Be sure that the mirror sits right in the middle of the frame for a nicer design, and to make sure everything stays together, I'll be using this craft stick as a support on the back. I repeated the same steps for my 3 remaining frames. This is what everything's look like together, and the fun part about this is you can place the frames to your liking and make different patterns. Now into our second idea, I'll be using this mirror. I have 4 8x10 frames and also 2 square ones, and one trick about them, the square ones supposed to be the same size but they are not, so I'll be doing a little something with them. I will move the tabs as I did previously with my scissors, and you can also use pliers for this or get some help. I painted those 4 frames with the silver metallic spray paint, and for the 2 larger ones I'll spray paint them with white. I will also be spray painting this mirror, and to do so I'm using some tricks to cover the mirror section. Now that everything is dry, let's go ahead and create a design with this set of frames. Notice how the smaller square fits perfectly into the larger one, so I'll be gluing them together. Since I want everything to stay together, for this one, I will go ahead and create a support system by using craft sticks. placing the mirror in the middle of the frames. To give it some height, I'll be using those caps that I have so it can actually fit perfectly on the frame. Placing the square frames into the middle of everything, and be sure that everything is centered as it makes it look nicer. I'm adding those jewel borders onto the white frame just because I want it to look nicer and have a texture to it as the other frames. This one turned out so beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in a comment down below. That you guys got inspired to reuse your old frames, and if so, don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you. Bye.